Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today's topic is unique character of carbon. So let's discuss. There are the large number of organic compounds, about 5 millions, and many more are being added to the list daily. Look at the word daily. So what is the reason behind this? The reason of this is unique character of carbon. Something is unique in carbon, so that a single carbon is making a 5 millions of the compound and many more is adding daily. Okay, there are some unique characters and we are going to discuss about the 5 unique character. And in today's lecture we are going to cover the 2 unique characters of the carbon. First unique character of carbon is tetra covalency of the carbon. Tetra means carbon have a valency 4, so it is tetra. Covalency means it is a covalent, so it is tetra covalency of carbon. As we all know, atomic number of carbon is 6. Ground state electronic configuration, where the carbon doesn't contain energy or a carbon atom does not contain any energy, or it is stable in a ground state. We can say a building having first floor, second floor, third floor, like this, the ground state. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2. Here the paired one, 2 electrons are paired and the 2 electrons come in the 2p orbital. Okay, in the excited state what happened, that one electron which is paired will go in the 2p orbital, and the excited state electronic configuration we can in the short term we can say EC. Electronic configuration is EC. 1s2 2s1 and 2p3. What happened here, the one who was paired is going in the 2p, so that single electron, that is it is not paired. Now in this condition, in excited state, this will not paired. So what happened, the hybridization will take place. What is the hybridization? Let's talk about this. Mixing and recasting of atomic orbital. Mixing and recasting of this atomic orbital into the new hybrid orbital having equal energy. What happens? Mixing of this orbital takes place, and it takes place in such a way that the new hybrid orbital is obtained. That is, this 2s and 2p become a new hybrid orbital where these 4 electrons have a same energy. First of all, this particular single electron has different energy and this 3 electron has a different energy, but in the process of hybridization what happen, these 4 electron get the same energy. It means they become in at equal level. Like this is the level we can see. First this is on this level, and this 3, it is a 2s and it is a 2p. Okay, so in the case of hybridization, after hybridization they all come in the same energy. Okay, this is the energy level. This is the hybridization, and this is a hybridization occur, and the 4 carbon electrons of the carbon get a same energy. Okay, in the excited state there is a 4 valence electron. Valence electron means the electron present in the outermost shell. This is 2 and 2, this complete outermost shell, because it is 1s2 and 2s1 and 2p3, so it is outermost, na, it is the last one particularly. So 4 electrons in the valence, 4 valence electrons, and excited state there is a 4 valence electron, and it is not possible to lose or gain 4 electron to get the noble gas configuration. Every compound or every atom wants to get a noble gas configuration to become more and more stable, but carbon is not able to lose or gain this to get a noble gas electronic configuration. So it has a very less tendency to form a ionic bond. How ionic bond forms? Ionic bond formed by gaining or losing the electron, but carbon does not able to lose or gain the electron, and hence it has a less tendency to form ionic bond. if carbon does not have a tendency to form an ionic bond, it will, what way he will do, it cannot lose or it cannot gain the electron. So what happen, it shares its electrons. What? Valence electron. The carbon content valency is 4, hence we say tetravalent. Carbon is tetravalent. So what happen, he shares his electrons with another atom. Okay, like in this case I told already, the 4 valency carbon, and hydrogen has 1 valency because its electronic configuration or atomic number is 1. The electronic configuration is 1s1 and it contains only 1 electron. So 4 hydrogen atom will share its electron with the one single carbon atom and it become a CH4. So in this way the carbon is tetracovalent in nature, means it has a 4, it can form 4 bond, and the bonds are the covalent, not ionic. Okay, next one point is catenation. Unique character is catenation, property to combine with the other atom to form a long or carbon has a property to combine, and with whom? Carbon carbon bond, like a formation of with link with self, like carbon carbon linkage we can say. The property to combine with the other carbon atom, carbon is combining with other carbon atom to form a long straight branch chain, and the ring of it can form a long straight chain also, a branch chain also, or the rings also in the different shapes and sizes is called as, the property is called as catenation. It is the definition. The property of self linking of atoms through covalent bond to form a long straight branch chain or the rings of different sizes is called as catenation. This is the definition. Okay, I already told the explanation for that. What is this? The carbon show maximum catenation due to the small size. Carbon has a very small size, as it has the electronic configuration is only a 6, so it has a very small size. Small size, its electronic configuration, electron configuration is like 6 and 4 valency, so it can form a 4 bond. Due to its small size, its electronic configuration and high strength of carbon carbon bond. The carbon carbon bond is a very strong bond, and it is almost unbreakable. If we use some extreme conditions, only at time we can break that bond only. Okay, so there is some like a straight chain, carbon can form a straight chain. We are talking about catenation na? What is the catenation? The carbon forms combines with other carbon to form a straight branch or a ring. So it is the straight chain. Carbon can form a very straight chain and many more, n number of carbon can join. Here the branch chain, here I only show one branch, you can show 2 branch, 3 branch, or branch with the many more carbon again, and a ring. Here I have shown the 6 carbon ring. You may show 5 carbon ring, 7 carbon ring, 8 carbon ring, 10 carbon ring. It depends. Okay, and it can form that much. So it is the property of catenation. Here I have given carbon can also form a stable bond with hydrogen. Why it can form a stable bond with hydrogen? Because of its same electronegativity. Electronegativity means what? Electronegativity is the any atom, if it pulls the electrons, in how much strength it will pull the electron towards itself. Means if I am the person and I am pulling, I have you can say a, what I can give the example. I am a person and I have a rope in my hand and I am pulling. So what is my strength? This is the strength. If carbon and hydrogen, they have a same strength, almost same strength, like I am it is given. So a strength of what? To pull the electron toward itself. Carbon and hydrogen can equally pull the electron towards itself, or almost equally can say. So carbon have electronegativity is see, carbon have electronegativity 2.5 and hydrogen has electronegativity 2.1. See, it is almost same. Hence it can form a very stable bond with the